Yo, it's your boy H. Welcome to my kitchen. I've got no culinary skills whatsoever. I just love to experiment with food and show you guys some cool kitchen hacks. And today we're talking about Supreme. Not Supreme, but Supreme. You know that clothing brand that everybody loves? It's got a massive cult following and it actually sold
even a brick.
I thought, you know what? If Supreme actually made a burger, what would it look like? First things first, I'm gonna do my research, find out what the brand is all about.
Always out of left field, they always surprise you, and there's just a very collectible and a very interesting aspect about all of them.
From pinball machines to nunchucks, crowbars, even a brick.
Second, I'm gonna sketch a little bit just to kind of get a rough idea as to how I would like the burger to look.
Stacking up this money taller than the ceiling. Slap it on the...
And third bit, I get to cooking. So check it out. Hopefully, we get to capture the whole essence of Supreme in a massive vegan burger. You ready? Check it out. Boom.
The box logo tee is probably the most iconic item.
Alright, so what I have here is the Supreme logo, obviously in a box. I don't know how that's actually gonna look, but it's worth giving it a go. So a little bit of DIY.
Bigger than me. Bigger than me.
So what I'm trying to experiment here. Because Supreme's logo and the whole brand is predominantly red, and they lay a lot of emphasis on that. So I'm gonna try and create that by actually coloring the bun. So this is the bun. I am just going to see how this looks.
Oh my god!
I'm gonna let it dry and just see if it actually sets. And if it sets, so that's the first thing where we're gonna put the logo. We're gonna put the logo on top of this. So I don't like this color. I painted it red and it kind of looks a bit like dark brown. Yeah, so for me it doesn't actually like showcase what I feel like Supreme is all about. Yeah, I'm just gonna chuck this away, man. So that's a no-go. Let's keep trying, man. Alright, so I've got all my ingredients on the table. I'm gonna show you exactly what it is that I'm gonna be using for this Supreme burger. The first thing is plant-based butter. It's unsalted, so that's what I'm going to use instead of my vegetable oil. All right, so we've got plant-based meat instead of traditional beef because it is a vegan burger after all.
Bigger than what? Bigger than me? Into dust. Shit then. Money popping when I step, just make it lit then. Cause I grew up in the gutter with some sick men. Why is everyone on Twitter trying to diss, man? Saucy with it.
And so some Himalayan salt as well as black pepper. Alright, so I'm gonna put some ready-made chopped garlic because I'm just lazy as hell. Alright, so you know Supreme is all about the red color, so I'm using a beetroot. I'm just gonna extract this color by blending the beetroot and hopefully it turns out alright.
It's all bigger than me. Bigger than me, bigger than me, bigger than me. Stand out with a capital D. Them and not like Skepta. Them and not like think that you're sicker than me. Had to sell my skeng, I'm too trigger happy. Never be sicker than D. Never be sicker than Goose. Bigger than what? Bigger than me.
Does this color actually project the Supreme brand and everything it stands for? Everything we do right now is all experimental, but so far I'm enjoying the process and so far I'm actually liking what I see. Alright, so because it's a two-top burger, I don't need this bottom bit. All I'm gonna do is add both tops together and hopefully it turns out nice. How's that looking? Alright, so for the fun bit, the Dr. Oetker spray, I'm actually gonna spray both tops together. We'll see how that looks, man.
Oh my god.
So it looks kind of nice though.
Well, that's who they wish to be. Bigger than me. Bigger than me. Bigger than me. Bigger than me. Stand out with a capital D. Them and not like Skepta. Them and not like think that you're sicker than me. Had to sell my skeng, I'm too trigger happy. Never be sicker than D. Never be sicker than Goose. Bigger than what? Bigger than me. Come for the telly, come for the hardy, come for the smelly, come for the bread and butter, come for the jelly. to make a dada. Group on Buju and a group on Shabba. Man, I ain't climbing ladder. Man, I ain't climbing.
So the last bit now is applying the color on the stencil to leave that Supreme logo.
Rather go to Benny Hanna. This one's looking like a sweet thing. Friend looking leng, but she slapped me when I asked her for a threesome. Said,
I ain't climbing. Ooh.
All right, so it's done. It's not quite how I wanted it because of the Supreme logo. So I couldn't do the box thing because I was having problems with the buns. Yeah, that's it. So if Supreme had a burger, would it look like this? Guys, thanks for watching. Like I said, drop some comments. Let me know what you guys think of the burger, or if I got it right or if I got it wrong. Thanks for watching, and please smash the like and the subscribe button. Love, H, boom, boom.
I said I think the money's dropped now. Rebecca's on my cellar cause she knows I get the